In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add videos to HubSpot content step by step. Whether you want to upload your own video, embed a YouTube clip, or use a video already stored inside HubSpot, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Adding video to your website pages is one of the best ways to increase engagement, boost time on page, and improve conversions. So if you're using HubSpot for your website, you definitely want to know how to do this properly. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to open a page inside HubSpot. Log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Content. From the drop-down, choose Website and then click on Website Pages. This will show you a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page where you want to add your video and click on its name to open the editor. The editor is where you can modify layouts, add modules, and customize your content. Now that we're inside the page editor, the next step is to add a video module. On the left-hand side, click the plus Add button. This opens the module library. In the search bar, type Video to quickly find the correct module. Once you see the video module appear in the results, simply drag and drop it into the section of the page where you want the video to appear. You can place it in an existing column or row, depending on your layout. As soon as you drop it in, the module settings will open on the left panel. Next, we need to choose the video source. HubSpot gives you three main options. The first option is to upload a video directly from your computer. Inside the module settings, click Replace. Then click Upload Files and select the video file from your computer. Once uploaded, HubSpot will process the video and insert it into the module. The second option is to embed a video from YouTube or Vimeo. This is great if your video is already hosted externally. Instead of uploading a file, choose the Embed Video option. Then paste your YouTube or Vimeo URL into the field provided. HubSpot will automatically generate the embedded player. The third option is to use HubSpot Video from your file manager. If you've already uploaded videos to HubSpot in the past, you can simply select one from your existing files. This saves time and keeps everything centralized inside your HubSpot account. After selecting your video source, you can adjust additional settings like sizing, alignment, and display options to match your page design. Make sure to preview the page to confirm everything looks correct and the video plays properly. Once you're happy with the placement and settings, the final step is to publish your changes. If this is an existing page, click Update. If it's a new page, click Publish. HubSpot will then push the changes live, and your video will be visible to visitors. And that's it. That's how you add videos to HubSpot content quickly and easily. As you can see, whether you're uploading directly, embedding from YouTube, or using HubSpot's file manager, the process is straightforward once you know where everything is located. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials and digital marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.